faulty.
Balancing Vespa tires, why would you do that? The biggest vibrations are here. With balanced tires, you don't have the massive vibrations that you're used to anymore. You just feel the road and the suspension, but not the shaking of tire and hub. So it reduces the vibrations here. Now what do you feel in the back? Now you feel the roughness of the surface, but also the shaking of the unbalanced hub and tire. It's like a deep vibration. And the surface. Once you have balanced tires, you only feel road, and this is an awesome experience. This is motorbiking, so I can highly recommend it. Guys, balance your hubs, and how does it look here? You should balance the hub and the rim with the tire, of course. How does it look here? It needed one here, one here on this side, and on the other side we had quite some more. It was really challenging, you see. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a bitch, a really bitch to balance, but I managed, and it is definitely. If you are not interested in balancing tires, never drive balanced tires, because you cannot go back anymore. It's a huge difference, and just changing to aluminium rims does not help, because think of cars, think of motorbikes, of course they also have to be balanced. I'll soon get 2.5 aluminium rims piaggio, and we'll make a balancing check. I'm pretty curious how much they need. For balancing, what do you need? How do I do it? I found a small bearing that exactly fits in here, so I knock it in. It sits pretty well. Then you have this thing here that comes with a rack. It sits here. Push it in completely here. No angle help. Then take the other one. Fix it. And we're good to go. Make sure that they sit really tight, that it does not move inside the bearing. And just take it here and see how it turns, where it stops. This one is already balanced. You see, it turns freely, doesn't stop at a specific point. Good luck, guys. You will really enjoy riding a scooter with a balanced hub and tire. Stops here. Let's start with 10 on top. That's 10. Look at that. 5 and 5. That's it. Double-sided sticky tape is not enough, at least for these weights. These are cheap ones from Amazon, to keep them on the rim for a long time. Try a hot glue gun to additionally fix the weights. it will additionally hold them in the place they're supposed to be. Show you the same at the hub. Also at the hub it is recommended to use a hot glue gun. Of course you can make it way more beautiful than this one, than how I did it in this case. But it seems that with the hot glue gun they stay in place. That's another one. It is a piaggio, an original piaggio. Let's see where it stops. Stops here. Let's start with 10 on top. Oops. Guess we need new tape. So what is 10 saying? Nope. It goes up. Should I try 5? Oh, look at this. That was quick. Oh, look at this. We just need 15 here. Ha! Nice. Yep. Got a little bit of movement here. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, cool. That's done. Do we need a 5 and a 10? That's a piaggio drum and piaggio rim. Okay, where are we going? Well, let's see where it wants to stop. Not here. Not here. It stops here. What about here? It does. Not so bad. Yeah, it clearly wants to come here. Yep. That's interesting. That's definitely the strongest pull. Okay, let's put a 10 up there. Did that help? Yes. Oh yes. That was perhaps a little bit too much. Yeah, it pulls up. So the 10 was perhaps a little bit too much. Let's try a 5. Oh God, sticky tape. Fucked up. That's a 5. Let's try another 5. And here. Not yet. And another one here. And it wants to pull back. Let's try a 10 here. That's better. Not yet. Let's try a 10 here as well. Nope. Nope. We do have a new faItalia brake drum. Let's see how they are balanced or not. No, of course they're not balanced, but how the production, what the production will show. So this means we have here at the bottom too much weight. Actually, I played a little bit more, and the result is very good. So we have 5 gram here. In the end, we have another 5 gram here, and there's a third 5 gram here, and we have all these drills here. And with this 15 gram, it does stop everywhere now. It does.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
And the lining and the clutch plate here, this edge. This is where the sprocket hits in, because the sprocket here only uses this. The problem with the taps is solved. This can take 30 and more horsepower.